Welcome, and especially when you're new to trading, you look all over the place. You start watching YouTube, go on Instagram, go all uh, all over the internet to look for information, to look for people that can help you. And sometimes when you're struggling, you'll get signed up with a signal provider because you need help and you need guidance and everything. It's part of the process. That's the way we all start in this business. Don't get me wrong, this video is not about naming other people or trashing other traders. We are all trying to make something out of this, so respect to everything and all. But I want to warn you for the signs of the things you should look for when you search the internet, no matter what social media or what source. But when things are not okay. So let's get into that right away. Please stick to the end of the video because I have written an ebook. It is free for everyone. I'll go through the steps very fast for you to unlock your own copy. So let's go to the first one. Number one, pictures of people who are on the beach or on expensive hotel rooms or driving expensive cars and like this. They are having cash money all around them. What does that have to do with trading? Well, I'll tell you what it has to do with trading. Nothing. You know, these pictures show it. You get my point. I can go all over the internet to find people who are claiming they are making a million every day or thousands every day and driving Ferraris and everything. That is not trading. Trading is really it's a probability game. You identify a setup, manage your risk, you get in, you take a profit or you take a loss. And over time, the losses should be bigger, and preferably you should have more. I'm sorry, the profit should be bigger and preferably more profits, and the losses should be smaller and preferably less, but you never know. It's a probability game. So keep dreaming, of course. The Ferraris, the planes, the islands is not going to come. Is not what Forex trading is at all. So if you see these kinds of things, skip the accounts and move on. The other one is that you win and you lose, and especially in the beginning it's 50-50, and in the beginning it's maybe more losses than wins because you're figuring this thing out. So don't get me wrong, again, I'm not here to trash anybody or anything, but accounts who claim that they are providing signals or whatever, that they have a 90% win rate, that's complete BS, because that's not how trading works. You get in, you get out. Sometimes on your stop loss, sometimes on your take profit. You know, it's not like you don't pick a signal service based on the percentage win rate. That doesn't say anything. There's so much more to trading, which you can probably see in my other videos. But believe me, 90% win rate doesn't say anything. You know, you still have to know what is where should I place my stop loss, how should I do this, how should I do that. There's so much more to trading than just the percentage win rate from a signal provider or a course. If you pay a lot of money for a course and then you will become some kind of super trader, it's not gonna happen. So that's the second one. Third one, easy. Trading is easy. Yes, why not? You know, you get out of bed, you open a trade, you just go to the beach, and when you come back you got $20,000 in your account. Of course, that's normal and it's happening every day. Sorry, but it's not. Trading is not easy. You have to analyze the markets, you have to have a trading strategy, and the most difficult of all, you have to manage your own emotions. You know, it's one of the hardest things in trading. You got stopped out 2 times, you want to make it back a little bit, you see a certain setup that is gonna go up, you're convinced it's gonna go up, you go in a little too big, and it doesn't go up because the criteria, your psychology messes with you, and you start violating your rules and your plan. You take a even bigger loss, and by the time you've lost 30 to 40% of your account, you're starting to gamble everything and you go broke and you blow up your account. You know, it's a serious thing. It's a business. Sometimes it frustrates me a little bit when people when I work with people that they assume like, I started trading yesterday, why am I not a millionaire at the end of the week? It's not how trading works. It's not how nothing works. It's just, you know, it's it's just like a job, you know. You need to go to school for 4 to 5 years, and you learn a skill, and then you go out, and that's where you at the end of the day make your money by performing a certain task, and you're specialized in a certain job. Same thing in trading. If you want to chase a trading career, all good, but keep in mind that it is a serious business with a serious education, and it takes time to master it. Number 4, one of those pictures I see a lot online on Instagram. This is not trading. Nobody is putting in these lot sizes. Nobody doing this in real life. This is a 100% fake account. This is a 100% demo account, and it's trying to tell people that this is trading. You know, you make 20,000, you put in all those trades, all opened at the same level for some reason. It's complete BS. Nobody is trading these numbers from a phone or even a MetaTrader account. If you do these numbers, you know, if you make hundreds of thousands or maybe a million, you're way ahead of the MetaTrader system and everything. You are, believe me, you are trading in a different way, in a different style. So this is something to avoid. I know when you're new to trading, you go over the platform, you know, you go over Instagram, you see these things. Yes, it triggers something. You're like, yo, these guys are making these numbers from their phone, I want to do this. It's not gonna happen. This is just marketing, luring you in to buy an expensive magical indicator or whatever it is. This is not trading. And also, it has nothing to do with proper risk management or even building a strategy that fits your needs or your personality. It's just a print screen of some numbers, and also fake. So forget it. It's not gonna happen. Last but not least, as a part of trading, like I already said a little bit, is losing. So when I go over the internet, I see all those you know, sometimes extreme, sometimes more realistic, but I see those wins, you know, and with captions like every day, it's an everyday thing, or here we go again, or making money while I sleep, or no, you know, take this business serious. If you want to succeed, you got profits, but you have to have losses. If you have a month of trading or 3 months of trading, I hope for you have some big winners. But if there are no losers on the same page, then you are not actually trading, or your losers are still on there. You didn't close them out because you're afraid that will end your account, and you keep letting them run and run and run. So that's the biggest mistake in trading. So remember, let your winners run high and cut your losses short. That's one of the things. So you got to see profits, you got to see wins. And back to the second one I shared, with the wins and the losses as well. 90% win rate in signal services. Nah, man, that's not how it works. So, like I promised at the end of the video, if you want my book, let me switch over so I can demonstrate how you can unlock your free copy. Here we go. My book's called Trading: A Guide to Consistency. It's free. It's free for everyone, just like the content on Instagram and the content on YouTube I'm providing. I don't believe in paid services. I don't believe in, well, I do believe, you know, there are some good ones out there, but it's not my thing, and I want to help you just like this, you know. So if you want to help me, here's a way to help me, and I have something for you, and that's a free copy of my book. Step 1, sign up through the link in my description. And that's a link to one of my preferred brokers, and by following the link you go there through me. You need an account to start trading, so sign up, fund your account, whatever is suits your you know, feels good to be investing. Don't ever trade with money you don't have. And then well, just let me know when you signed up, and I'll when your account is verified and you made your first deposit, I'm happy to hear from you, and you know, just I'll send you the copy. How can you reach me? You can reach me through email or Instagram. Email TradeVision2020, Gmail, and Instagram TradeVision. So let me know when you're set up, and I'll send you the book. And then one more bonus in this is, after reading the book, please let me know what you think, what you've learned. After that, you can contact me on email, you can contact me on Instagram if you want to send me your trading strategy. I'm happy to review it. Maybe I can make a video of it if you like, and share it with others. Ask me everything you haven't already found in the book. So if there are still questions, feel free to contact me. And of course, you know, trading is a process, a learning curve. Stay in contact with me during your learning curve. Ask me anything you want. If you sign up through my broker, why not? I'm happy to help. So yeah, well, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.